Hey, glow getters. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so thrilled to have you joining me today. Get ready to unlock some serious beauty secrets. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share all my tips and tricks with you. Today, we're tackling the ultimate makeup villain, that dreaded no-good menace. Summer heat. Yes, we're talking about how to keep your makeup looking fresh and flawless, even when the temperatures are soaring. You know the struggle. Perfect makeup. You spend all that time perfecting your base, contour, highlight. Then 5 minutes outside and it's melting off. It's a total beauty emergency. But don't worry, I've tested everything. I've put countless products through the ringer to keep your look flawless all day long. No more midday touch-ups needed, even in the hottest weather. We're talking heat waves, humidity, the works. Ready to say goodbye to makeup meltdowns? Let's conquer the heat together. Let's dive into the secrets, the holy grail products, and the application techniques for a long-lasting summer-proof look. Let's get started. All right, let's dive into the first essential step for a flawless summer makeup look: primer. It's the unsung hero of any makeup routine, especially when you're battling heat and humidity. For summer, a lightweight, mattifying primer is a must. You want something that feels barely there, not heavy or cakey. Think of it as your secret weapon against shine. It creates a smooth barrier, almost like a shield, controls oil, keeping that unwanted shine at bay, and keeps your makeup from sliding. No one wants their foundation melting off halfway through the day. Focus on your T-zone with a pea-sized amount. That's your forehead, nose, and chin, the areas most prone to oiliness, pressing it in for a seamless base. Don't rub, gently press. This helps it fill in pores and create an even canvas. Silicone-based formulas are best, especially if you're looking for that smooth, almost airbrushed finish. For blurring and shine control. They work wonders at minimizing the appearance of pores and keeping you matte. Let it set for a minute before moving on. This allows the primer to fully absorb and create the perfect base for your foundation. This step is a total game changer, trust me, for makeup that lasts in the heat. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Next, ditch heavy foundation for a tinted moisturizer with SPF. It evens skin tone, feels light, and gives a natural glow. Perfect for hot days. Built-in SPF protects your skin while simplifying your routine. You get coverage, hydration, and sun protection in one step. It's the ultimate summer must-have. For extra coverage, reach for a waterproof concealer. Regular concealers melt away, but waterproof formulas stay put through sweat and humidity. Dot it only where needed, under eyes, blemishes, redness, and blend with your finger or a damp sponge. Less is more for a natural heat-proof finish. It's your insurance for flawless skin all day. Trust me, you'll notice the difference. Bring life back to your face with cream blush. Creams melt into skin, last longer, and look more natural than powders in the heat. Tap a small amount onto your cheeks and blend upwards for a fresh, dewy flush. Use your fingers for easy application. The result? A radiant summer-proof glow. No more patchy, faded blush. Now, after perfecting your base with foundation and concealer, it's time to lock it all in. This crucial step ensures your makeup stays put, looking fresh and vibrant throughout the day. We're going to achieve this with a translucent setting powder. This magical product works wonders to set your makeup without adding any color or altering your carefully crafted complexion. Lightly press powder onto oily areas. This is key to controlling shine and preventing your makeup from sliding off. Focus on the T-zone, which includes your forehead, nose, and chin, and also under eyes, where concealer tends to crease. Don't forget around the nose, an area prone to oiliness and makeup breakdown. A light dusting here can make a big difference. For the rest of your face, use a fluffy brush. This will ensure a light and even application. Remember, less is more and avoid overdoing it. Applying too much powder can lead to a dry, cakey appearance. This keeps shine at bay, giving your skin a smooth, matte finish that lasts. Setting powder also prevents creasing, especially under the eyes, ensuring your concealer stays smooth and flawless. The goal is to set your makeup without looking cakey. A light hand and the right technique are key to achieving this. A fine powder blurs pores, creating a soft focus effect that enhances your natural beauty. Ultimately, setting powder sets your makeup for all-day wear. so you can confidently go about your day without worrying about touch-ups. Just a touch is all you need to reap the benefits of setting powder. With the right application, you'll achieve a flawless finish that enhances your overall look and boosts your confidence. Don't forget waterproof mascara. It's a summer essential. It resists sweat, humidity, and even tears, keeping lashes curled and defined. Wiggle the wand from base to tip for even coverage. 1 or 2 coats will open up your eyes and last all day. Remove with an oil-based cleanser for easy, gentle cleanup. Finish with a setting spray to lock everything in. A few spritzes meld your makeup together and create a protective barrier. Look for a formula with oil control and long-lasting wear. Hold the bottle 8-10 inches away and mist in an X and T shape. Let it air dry, no touching. This final step keeps your look fresh and melt-proof. And that's it, your ultimate guide to hot weather makeup. Try these tips and products for a sweat-proof, stunning look all summer. Let me know your favorite summer makeup hack in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty secrets. Stay cool, stay beautiful, and see you next time.